Intercept by jersey number 29. Attacking the defense, number 1, yes sir. Pass.
Rest na kita nyo ni Pupuli.
Glow in the dark. Eto na, number 3. Tapikan. Nandun sa ilalim. 14 to shoot.
Aaron. 14, ang ulit foul. Aaron.
Foul number 14.
Touch the ball, jersey number 7, 0 pockets. Intercept by jersey number 29. Attacking the defense, number 1, yes sir. Three on S. Long pass to the Legion Alamat. Magic shot, sublime, and on the big back with a big rebound. Signal with the play. After the Brianna Sabat, single, turnover. Jersey number 29 for the EPL kickball. Wadayo from the downtown, long PLDT. Back into the balls, jersey number 3, back into the right, jersey number 14. Jersey 14 to Alamat. And basket is down. Mike is on the foul. Foul comes by jersey number 11. What a shot over by jersey number 5, Mr. Alamat. The legend, the team manager. Jumpers ready. Yes, I love playing. And jersey number 29, looking for his teammate. Jersey number 29, attacking the defense. That's the ball, jersey number 13 for the rebound. Pass, jersey number 29 from the downtown low, GPL, 3 points. 3 against 5. That's Villanueva. Arantay Godayo, magic pass sa ilalim, nagkasundutan, jersey 1, you catch the ball. Jersey number 29. Attacking the defense, magic pass. Sabay, Francisco, from the back is the board, basket is down, Mike is out of foul. Foul coming by jersey number 7, legal use of hands. What a shot, over by Mr. Francisco, jersey number 3 from the free lane. Hey, Sublime, ito, nagkatabigan, PPMI, jersey number 11, pass to the big man, shot clock number 10, the big man attacking the defense, it's a ball, jersey number 14 for the big rebound. Hang on, jersey number 14 will be fun, Sublime, jersey number 17 for the good back shot, and there's a whistle. Now comes the jersey number 11. Second personal foul, jersey number 11. Second team foul, two shot over by Mr. Brianna for the big lane, jersey number 17. For the first step. And the balls, the jumpers ready. So the Francisco, the big rebound, the big man. Attacking the defense, jersey number 3. Susubukin ang depensa. Pagsakay, nagkatapikan. Bullseye. Jersey number 14 for the big rebound. High pass, Cervantes. Big full pass to Alamat, jersey number 5. For the top eight. Isang pihit. There's the whistle. Foul. Coming by jersey number 11. Pushing foul. Jersey number 11. Third personal foul. Three foul. Ibutanan. Three shot out of the jersey number 5, Mr. Alamat, the team manager from the free lane for the count. Extra balls, jumpers ready. Yes, so 1-5 for Mr. Alamat, the team manager. Francisco from the inbound with the jersey number 14, Wadayo, the trigger man. Looking for his teammate, shut down to 18. Passengers are quick and back to the team around the bumping. Attacking the defense. 95 centimeters of the level for the long two. Supplies and batters for the rebound. Big bats. Back and does of Pedro. Sa ilalim. The big man. Attack the defense. Supply the big ball leg. To the back. Full slide. And on side the now. Basket is count. Michael Sano foul. Foul. To the jersey number 3. In the use of hands. Bonus shot over the jersey number 29 from the free lane.
Tama ka pala sa tumas.
First personal foul, jersey number 3. When I open the good back, is it board? Another 1 point. A 2-point delivery. Ex-Bill Villanueva. Sigil yung play over his teammate. Ang inisip bagay sa ilalim. Biglang bumukal ng paalang ulit sa fly. Rebound, jersey number 29. Jersey number 29, attacking the defense side, Sinchan. Jersey number 11, using the board. It's a bubbles. Briones for the big rebound. The golden boy. Heto na. Briones attacking the defense. Napitawan, Cervantes for the putback. Yes, sir. Wadayo for the rebound. The pass, jersey number 29, back to Wadayo. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Just a 29 to the big man, second down, attacking the defense. Supply just a 7 corner. The rebound, the pass to the golden boy, Mr. Briones. Attacking the defense, left on the jab. Pasok yan. 8 against 11. 8 against 11. 1 minute and 8. 1 minute and 7. 1 minute and 6. 1 minute and 5. Balls alive. Shot clock down to 15. Wadayo from the downtown low to PLDT. It's a bubbles. The rebound and just a 11 for the back. Is it worth? Supply Villanueva. Catch the ball. 50 seconds. To the golden boy. Briones, Mikey Pasa. And Lord, nabitawan. Turnover. 40 seconds. Wadayo, high pass to the big man. Francisco, Mikey Chan, left for them, supply, Jason Pop for the big rebound. 30 seconds to the golden boy. Second time, Jason Pop, so whistle. A good chip. Foul on the jersey number 3. Push it down. 2 shot.
Paloma ba yan? Paloma?
Paloma. 2 shot out of the jersey number 14. Mr. Lalaguna from the big lane. For the first down. Yes, the basket is down.
Ano ko pito? Ang penalty.
Patlang po sa tulaan natin boss, yung natutulak pa. Hindi natin mabago eh. Dapat pito pag naman pagtulatog ka ng kanan, dapat. O 5.
It's a bubble. Jersey number 3 for the big rebound.
Pares mo kamay. Lako.
Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Ball slide.
Ano pa? Sana yung pinagdarang muna.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. It's supply. Jersey number 11 for the big rebound. 10 seconds. It's in the trouble. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 9 against 11. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's better. Next time. Idol ko, si Papa King Abbas. As George number 0. Topic 1. As Lalaguna, jersey number 49, Sigil to play. Looking for teammate, pabalik from the downtown. Back it's a bubble, jersey number 7 for the putback. Supply, tapingan, sanutan, sa nabuta. As jump ball, save ball, save ball, save ball. Involving Cervantes to coach map. Jersey number 3. Looking for Sigil to play. Lalaguna, watch the ball. Shot lang from the boarding. As Lalaguna, aras by Abinuman. Shot lang from the suntok sa buwan. Charging down from the jersey number 2. Coach Mab. Warning for penalty. Both team are red flag. Both team are red flag. And sa Binuman, signal to play. Looking for jersey number 9 from the downtown. Supply, Tapigan. Nandun, jersey number 20 for the big piano. Pass to jersey number 11. Attack in the defense. Pantala si Gonzaga for the steal. And save ball. Save ball. Save ball. And Cervantes to Laguna from the long two. And Supply, rebound. Papaking Abbas, nagkasundutan ng katapigan. Save ball. Last time to jersey number 0, Mr. Abbas. And sila Laguna to Coach Mab. Ano gagawin? Magic pass to jersey number 11 from the downtown. Bang! 3 points. Binuman catching ball. Signal the player. Pass to Gonzaga. Shot clock down to 12. Binuman attacking the defense. Magic pass. Shot clock down to 8. Shot clock down to 7. Shot clock down to 6. And there's a whistle. What's confirmed? There's a foul. Foul for the jersey number 11. Penalty. Both teams are penalty situation. Both teams are penalty situation. First personal foul, jersey number 11. It's a bubbles for the personal by jumpers. Ready for the last shot of Mr. Gonzaga from the free lane. That's another 1 point for Mr. Gonzaga. Jersey number 7 for the inbound. Pass to the trigger man. Jersey number 49, Laguna. Shot up na po yung sakit na, Cervantes. Isang input, isang pingin. But Supply. Turnover. Atrasado for the inbound. Pass to Binuman. Ismo, batter po ang Binuman. Ano gagawin? Magic pass natin yung sunod. Expose drive. Head on. Coach Map. Tapilan. Saan mapunta? Save ball. Bola. Ada pa. Eto na. Dakling naman. Atake na defense. Ano gagawin? Isang ikot. Isang pihit. Ngunit. Basket is out. May kasama ng foul. Foul coming with jersey number 0. Illegal use of hands. Bonus shot away by jersey number 20. Garcia. Anong pangalan? Anong apelido? Wala. Nandun. Abbas for the rebound. Pass to Binuman, jersey number 11. And jersey number 9. Attacking the defense. To jersey number 17. Basket is out. May kasama foul. Foul coming with jersey number 21. Hakim foul. First personal foul. One shot out of jersey number 17. From the free throw lane, jumpers ready. And sa bubbles, jersey number 20 for the big rebound. The pass, Cervantes. Cervantes ngayon. Magic pass at the Coach Map. But sobrang bilis. And sa Binuman.
1 minute 45.
1 minute and 45 seconds. Jersey number 9. But Supply turnover. Last touch by jersey number 0. The trigger man. Attacking the defense. Sa ilalim. Pero. Solo. Jersey number 20 scoring. Binuman for the inbound 16. Against 17. 1 point lead by TEMI. Binuman has been to play. Shot clock down to 15. That's jersey number 9. Gonzaga. The trigger man. Babawi. 1 minute and 10 seconds. The trigger man attacking the defense, but nandun si Abbas. Pass to jersey number 11 from the long two. Basket is count. 1 minute and 2. 1 minute and 1. 1 minute slot. That's jersey number 11 to Gonzaga. Napitawan na kasundutan. But turnover. Last touch with jersey number 9 Mr. Gonzaga. Coach now catch the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. And jersey number 11. Atake na defense. Lumipad na walang paalam. Ngunit pasok yan. Change favor. Change favor. 32
32 seconds.
seconds remaining.
18 to 7.
Shot clock down to 18. And jersey number 17 from the downtown supply. Cervantes for big rebound. But may nahuli. May napituhan. Foul committed by jersey number 9. Mr. Gonzaga. Referee po. Penalty po at the ref. Penalty.
9, Gonzaga.
First personal foul, Mr. Gonzaga. 20 against 19, 22 seconds remaining. 22 seconds. Yes, basket is count for first row of Georgia Gonzaga, Mr. Cervantes, jumpers ready. And sa bubbles, rebound atrasado, Bigran, 20 seconds, shot lang so. Atrasado, atake na defense, ba't may napituhan? Dahil sa foul.
20.
Foul coming by jersey number 20, Garcia. First personal foul, penalty. Yes, basket for the first attempt of Mr. Atrasado from the big lane. Jumpers ready. Yes, a complete 2 points for Mr. Atrasado. Jersey number 7 for the Indians.
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, hip. There's a foul. Holding foul committed by jersey number 9, Mr. Gonzaga. Second personal foul. Penalty. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Deadlock at 21. To shatter by Mr. Lalaguna from the Brito Lane. For the first attempt. And so bubbles. Jumpers ready.